Alright, here's our right-hand drive car, and as you can see, what we've done is, make sure that I get my focus here. Sorry about that. There we go. Trimmed it right down this hidden edge right here, and just got them butted right up against it and just tacked them in place. And then we'll put some they've got like a body filler on the outside, and then underneath we'll use some panel bonding. Checked our tail light and we're just about right there. You can see where the weld is. Had to cut it right here. And this portion was raised up. It was about 3/4 of an inch. There was so much damage to it, so what I had to do is trim this here and bend it back down. And what I'll do is I'll run some more 18 gauge metal right up in here and re-weld this back into place, re-weld this into place. I've got this little piece here and one down right through here, and then this across here. As you can see, I've already put a little bit of spot welding there, but it's straight. It's got, let me show you with this tape measure. I'm going from one strut. I'm sitting at 55.5. Right there, 55.5. So we're square. So it looks like we're going to be pretty close here. And we will keep you posted.